Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Hannah Humphrey, and I've been volunteering with Tango 2 UK since the charity was set up about a year ago. I'm also involved with the Beacon Patient Group Engagement Committee and the participant panel at Genomics England. But my most important role is being mum to my daughter, Tabby, who is 13 and lives with two rare conditions, Tango 2 and 22q11 deletion. When Tabby was 18 months old, after she wasn't meeting her milestones, she was diagnosed with 22q11 deletion. It's a rare, but not extremely rare. And at the time we thought, that's it, we finally have our answers. But as Tabby grew, new symptoms appeared: collapsing, wobbling walking, a head tilt, stiffness, things that didn't fit to the 22q11 picture. It became clear that there was something more going on. This was the start of our real diagnostic journey. We spent years going from specialist to specialist, hoping each appointment would finally explain what was happening. But instead of answers, we came home with more questions. And like so many families in this situation, we lived with uncertainty, no diagnosis, no treatment plan, just worry and frustration and isolation. By 2016, I'd had enough. I pushed for Tabby to be enrolled on the 100,000 Genome Project as a last attempt to find answers. And in 2020, after years of waiting, we finally got a call that changed everything. Through the project, Tabby was diagnosed with Tango 2. It's a small word, but it changed our world. A diagnosis gave us understanding. It gave us a way to explain what was happening. And most importantly, it gave us connection. We found other families like ours, just 14 in the UK and 250 worldwide. But suddenly we weren't alone. Just this year, I organised the first Tango 2 UK family weekend, bringing some of those families together for the very first time. However, a diagnosis didn't fix everything. There is still no treatment, but it gave us direction and purpose. When we joined the 100,000 Genome Project, our family's DNA became part of something much bigger: the National Genomic Research Library, the NGRL. Our genetic information is safely and ethically stored, helping researchers learn more about rare conditions and helping other families find the answers we want to search for. That felt meaningful. Research had helped us, and now our data could help others. And that's exactly what happened. In 2024, researchers using data from the NGRL discovered that changes in a tiny gene called the RNU24 were responsible for a previously undiagnosed condition in many children. Those families who'd also searched for answers for years finally had a diagnosis. They had understanding and they found each other. That discovery didn't just change science, it changed lives and reminded me why the NGRL is so important. The NGRL isn't just a database. It shows what can be achieved when patients, clinicians, and researchers collaborate. It turns data into understanding and understanding into hope. Behind every genome is a person, a family, a story. And every new discovery is a family moving from uncertainty to clarity. My hope is the family's data held within the NGRL will lead to research that will help develop treatments, improve quality of life, and ultimately save lives of children and adults with rare conditions. And for me, Tabby, and for so many others, that means everything. Thank you.